Antonyms lesson. Let's get started. Broad, narrow. Brother, sister. Build, destroy. Busy, lazy. Buy, sell. Calm, excited. Careful, careless. Careless, careful. Catch, miss. Ceiling, floor. Big, small. Birth, death. Bitter, sweet. Black, white. Blunt, sharp. Body, soul. Bore, amuse. Boring, exciting. Barrow, land. Bottom, top. About, exactly. Above, below. Absence, presence. Abundance, lack. Accept, refuse. Accidental, intentional. Active, lazy. Add, subtract. Admit, deny. Adult, child. All, none. Allow, forbid. Already, not yet. Always, never. Ancient, modern. Ancestor, descendant. Agree, refuse. Amateur, professional. Amuse, bore. Ancestor, descendant. Delicious, awful. Deny, admit. Depart, arrive. Departure, arrival. Descendant, ancestor. Descent, ascent. Desperate, hopeful. Destroy, build. Destruction, construction. Devil, angel. Cruel, it's not human. It must be merciful. Cruel, merciful. Cry, whisper. Cry, laugh. Damage, repair. Danger, security. Dangerous, safe. Dark, light. Daughter, son. Dawn, dusk. Day, night. Exit, entrance. Expensive, cheap. Export, import. Exposure, shelter. Extreme, moderate. Fail, succeed. Failure, success. False, true. Far, near. Fast, slow. Ending, beginning. Enemy, friend. Enjoy, hate. Enter, leave. Entrance, exit. Equal, different. Even, odd. Evening, morning. Everybody, nobody. Everything, nothing. Respected friends, love this post. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share with as many people as possible. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL and English Teacher. I wish you all of the best. May God bless all of you. Take care. Bye-bye.